It took a long time for the developer of Xposed Framework to get his application ported over to work on Android and Nougat. This came out about 3 months ago, and already he's done the work to get it working on Android Oreo. So today, not only do I want to show you how to install Xposed Framework on the OnePlus 5 and the OnePlus 5T, but I also want to show you how to install it in a systemless manner. Since we're doing this as systemless, you're going to need to have Magisk installed as your root method. Once that is installed, we're just going to open it up. It's going to take you to this page. And we're going to install it as a module. So we're going to go to the Downloads section. Then you're going to need to scroll all the way down. You can see we have a number of Xposed Framework options here. Each SDK number relates to a certain version of Android. SDK 27 is Android 8.1. SDK 26 is Android 8.0. 25 is 7.1. 24 is 7.0. So on the OnePlus 5 or the OnePlus 5T, you're either going to have Nougat or Oreo. And since we don't have 8.1, I'm on currently 8.0. We're just going to install this SDK 26. We just tap on the download icon, tap on install, grant it storage access if it requests it. And then we let it install. Once that's done, we're going to get close, save log, and reboot options at the bottom. Just go ahead and tap on reboot. This is going to do a quick restart of the OnePlus 5 or the OnePlus 5T after it has put the proper files in place that you need to have for Xposed Framework. Once you boot back up into Android, you're going to notice the Xposed installer application is not installed by default. To do that, we need to open up Magisk again, go into Downloads, tap the Xposed Framework that we got, and then tap this link right here. That's going to install a special modified version of Xposed installer that will actually detect the Systemless Xposed framework. Once that has been downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and reboot again if you want. When I first installed the installer, I opened it up and it said that it has been installed, but it is not active. After doing a restart, it still said that. So we went back into Magisk Manager and I just tapped this yellow check mark and tapped it again to disable and enable it. And then I hit the reboot button and I let the OnePlus 5T reboot. This may not happen to you. This is all beta software, so this bug may get fixed in the future, or it may only be happening on certain devices. I just wanted to throw that out there just in case you get the same issue I have. And that is how to install Xposed Framework in a systemless manner on the OnePlus 5 and the OnePlus 5T.